pressure gauge on line 4. Reading steady. I've logged it on the tablet.
Passes the texture test. It's perfectly cooled.
Noted. We are within the parameters.
More boxes on line 3. Coming right up. Make sure that pallet is secure before it goes out. Roger that. Checking the wrap now.
Okay, that's $350, and here is your change. Have a great day.
to just relax together. Here's your Milo, darling.
Careful, it's still steaming.
It smells good. It smells good.
Look how happy he is to finally get his Milo.
He waited so patiently this time.
Mira qué contenta está con su Milo.
Sí, le encanta.
And then the cat jumped right into the Milo box.
Papa, that is so funny.
Did he get chocolate everywhere?
To good times. Cheers!
To family. Cheers, Papa.
This Milo is wonderful tonight.
That looks like a generous serving.
Only the best for you.
It smells delicious.
He said it was the best Milo ever. Did he really say that?
You are so funny.
This is exactly what I needed today.
It really is. Are you enjoying your drink?
It's perfect.
He is so funny today.
I know, that story he told was hilarious. Here you go, sweetie. The last cup of Milo. Enjoy it while it's warm.
I'm serious. It was the funniest thing I've seen all week. And this Milo hits the spot.
You always were dramatic.
Honey.
He's right about the Milo, though. And then he couldn't find the car keys anywhere.
He is always losing them. Where were they?
In his hand the whole time. Here you go, Grandma. I made it just how you like it.
Oh, thank you, dear. That smells wonderful.
Wow, that looks good.
It really is the best way to start the day.
You got one Milo. Oh, lovely. Thank you so much.
Remember when we tried to make this ourselves?
Oh goodness, that was a mess.
It was everywhere.
I told you this Milo recipe is the best.
It reminds me of back home. You have to make this again tomorrow. It's perfect. Here, take these. Are you finished?
Yes, thank you. That was nice.
I'll get the rest. All right, I've got the cups.
And I'll put this away.
The room looks cozy now. That was the best Milo I've had in a long time. You always say that after 3 cups, Uncle. He really enjoyed that, didn't he? Always finishes every drop. So I think that's settled then. We'll head out around 10.
Sounds good to me. Another Milo, anyone?
I'm good, thanks.
That was a good cup of Milo.
Yeah, really hit the spot.
This is perfect.
Smile for the camera.
Cheers, Mom.
So there we were, stuck at the border because Ahmed fed the papers to the camel. We almost missed the flight. That was a wonderful meal. Thank you.
Yes, we should do this more often.
Where did he go with the dishes?
I can't believe he actually said that. Right in front of everyone. You should have seen your face.
The living room looks great. I'm ready for bed.
Me too. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
That was lovely.
Yeah, a perfect way to end the evening.
I'm glad we finally had time for this.
Me too. It's been too long.
That Milo was lovely, dear. I'll see you next week.
Goodbye, Grandma. Drive safe.